we're going to compare TensorFlow and PyTorch, two of the most popular deep learning frameworks, and help you decide which one you should use. Let's get started. First, let's talk about TensorFlow. Developed by Google, TensorFlow is a powerful open-source library for numerical computation and machine learning. TensorFlow is known for its production-ready deployment capabilities, extensive ecosystem, and support for mobile and embedded platforms. It's ideal for large-scale machine learning models, complex neural networks, and applications requiring robust deployment and scalability. Now let's discuss PyTorch, developed by Facebook's AI Research Lab. PyTorch is an open-source deep learning framework that's known for its dynamic computational graph. PyTorch offers ease of use, dynamic computation, and strong community support. It's highly popular in the research community due to its intuitive interface and flexibility. PyTorch is ideal for research and development, rapid prototyping, and applications requiring dynamic graph capabilities. So which one should you use? You should choose TensorFlow if you need a production-ready framework, require extensive support for mobile and embedded platforms, or work on a large-scale machine learning project. Choose PyTorch if you're focusing on research and development, need a flexible and easy-to-use framework, or prefer dynamic computation graphs. In summary, TensorFlow and PyTorch each have their strengths and are suited for different use cases. Consider your specific needs and project requirements to make the best choice. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.